In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management with the free version available in 2025. Whether you're organizing tasks for a team or just for yourself, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials of using Asana without spending a dime. First, head over to asana.com. Once you're there, locate the Get Started button. You can sign up using your email or simply use your Google account, which is a handy time saver. Make sure you opt for the basic or free plan, which doesn't require a credit card, perfect for getting started without any commitment. With the free plan, you're equipped with several handy features. You'll have access to unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs. Plus, enjoy unlimited storage with 100 megabytes per file, making file sharing straightforward. You can include up to 10 teammates in the workspace, which is ideal for small teams or personal productivity projects. You'll also benefit from different views including list view, board view, and calendar view. Whether you prefer a traditional task list, Kanban-style boards, or a timeline of tasks, there's a view to suit your needs. Basic search and reporting are also available to help you keep tabs on everything. Lastly, enjoy simple integrations with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Outlook, all essential for seamless workflow. Next, let's set up your first workspace. A workspace is essentially your project hub where everything comes together. Within your workspace, you can establish multiple projects such as a marketing plan, content calendar, or personal goals, whatever fits your needs. For each project, you'll want to add tasks and, if necessary, subtasks to break larger goals into manageable pieces. Organizing your projects becomes even more efficient when you use Asana's different views. Even with the free version, you can shuffle between list view, board view, and calendar view. The list view offers a straightforward to-do list layout. The board view gives you a Kanban-style board for visual workflow management, and the calendar view allows you to see tasks organized by due date. These features provide great flexibility, allowing you to visualize deadlines and priorities effectively. Collaboration is a breeze in Asana as well. You can effortlessly add up to 10 teammates within your workspace without any cost. Assign one person as the task owner to maintain accountability and add collaborators so everyone stays informed with updates. Engage with your team by commenting directly on tasks and share files that are relevant to the task at hand, which centralizes discussions and personal sharing about the work being done. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Asana for effective project management without leaving a technical wallet. Stay organized and keep your projects on track, whether you're working alone or with a team.